Hi and welcome to this FortiAppSec Cloud video on threshold-based bot detection. FortiAppSec's threshold-based bot detection is a feature that helps distinguish between human users and automated bots by monitoring for suspicious behaviors that occur at abnormal rates. These include excessive 403 and 404 response codes, repeated attack signatures, slow attack activities, content scraping, and unauthorized user scans. When abnormal activity is detected, FortiAppSec takes action to mitigate potential threats. A bot programmed to scrape website content, such as product descriptions, pricing, or blog articles, typically sends a high volume of requests in a short period. For example, it may rapidly request hundreds of product pages, bypass normal browsing behaviors like navigating categories or clicking on ads, and trigger numerous 404 not found or 403 forbidden errors while probing for hidden or non-existent pages. You can configure FortiAppSec to monitor the rate of specific behaviors and compare them to predefined thresholds, such as the occurrence of certain behavior within a certain time. Once FortiWeb identifies the bot's behavior as exceeding the defined thresholds, it can take action to block or challenge the bot. The threshold-based bot detection feature in FortiAppSec Cloud identifies bots by tracking abnormal behavior patterns, such as frequent errors, scraping, or scanning, making it easier to block automated threats with minimal manual effort. Thank you for watching.